So good morning all. Hope you all are audible now. So today we are going to discuss about metal detector called DFMD, like door frame metal detector. So hope you all heard about metal detector, right? So hope you all seen in many places metal detector, like example like airport, exhibitions, and mall and all. So here I am going to discuss about the technical things about that metal detector. So the model is D4006. So if I'm talking about the basic introduction of this metal detector is actually it's a walk-through metal detector. So if a person is walking through the metal detector, it's kind of arch shape. So if a person is walking through a metal detector, if that person is carrying any kind of metal of any kind of uh, weapons like dangerous thing, dangerous objects and all, it will detect. So the main concept is like it will create magnetic field if the person is carrying a metal, and it will give the alarm sound for the security and all. So the security person can easily understand the person is carrying a metal, and they are hiding some metal and all, such as like knife, gun, or any kind of metal. So many people having doubt regarding that, like if a person is carrying a knife or a gun or something, there will be a special beep sound and all. There is nothing called like that. If a person is carrying any kind of metal, they can easily find out, and further they can do process checking on the bag or checking on the pocket of any things and all. So in this metal detector having multiple zone, like so in this thing, the magnetic field creates the alarm sound, beep sound and all. So it can easily find out the person who carrying a metal and all. So in this new metal detector, the latest metal detectors having a multiple zones, and not only a sound and alarm. So it will show you the where the person is carrying a metal. So suppose if a person is carrying a metal in a pocket or something, so in that side only the LED will glow. So the security person can easily understand the person is carrying a metal in a pocket and all. So it can detect a multiple object also and display the areas where the person is carrying the metal. And this metal detector having a different types of zones. So I will tell you about all different types of zones in next slides and all coming slides. There are up to 33 zones here. Okay. So coming to next slide, these are the different types of zones we having current stock. So it's a model name is first one is D2401, D9018, and D4006, and D2406, and D9033. So this having different zones. In this model name itself, you can easily understand like the D2401 is a single zone, and D9018 is a 18 zone, and D4006 is a 6 zone, and D2406 is a 6 zone, and D9033 is a 33 zone. This D4006 and D2406 is the same thing, but the thing is it's a new upgrade model of D4006 is a new upgrade model. Then D240 is an old model. So I will briefly explain you about the zone wise. So here you can see the different types of zones you can see in a diagram. So hope you can understand from the diagram. I'll tell you. So first diagram, this is a single zone. Okay. So if a person is carrying a metal, any kind of metal, okay. So if the person is carrying any kind of metal in anywhere, so if that person walk through that metal detector, it will give alarm sound. So the full LED will glow in a single zone. Wherever the person carry a metal, it will glow LED full LED will glow. So the thing is like signal zone, we can understand the person is carrying a metal. That's all. So coming to 6 zone, if a person is carrying a metal in shoes or pocket or head, or like they are covering with a cap or something in top side and all, the LED will glow in separately. Like if a person is carrying a metal on shoe, this down LED will show. And if a person is carrying a metal on pocket and all, separate LED will show. So these are the 6 zone. And coming to 18 zone, you can see in this diagram, it will dictate more accuracy will be compared to 6 zone and single zone, the more accuracy will be more. So it can partially understand where the metal is carrying. Okay, suppose if carrying this side and all, so it will dictate here LED. And if a person is carrying in a hand, a knife, it will show here LED. And suppose in shoe, it will show like this. So coming to 33 zone, it's more accuracy is more. It's a high-end model. So accuracy is more means they can carry a small kind of metal and all. It can easily detect. Coming to single zone and all, there will be a like if a person is carrying a small metal and all, it cannot be find out that much easily compared to 33 zone. So in 33 zone, like it is easy to understand where the person is carrying a metal and all. So these are the different types of zone we having. So here I am going to talk to you about like the D4006, this model. We are focusing on this model, and I'm going to tell you about the briefly explain you about this model. What are the main technical things and all in this model, because all other models are old models. So in this product, it's a as I told you, it's a walkthrough metal detector. So if a person carrying a metal or if a person carrying any kind of dangerous weapons or something, it will detect. So in compared to this product, it's a LED, sorry, not LED, LCD display, and it's a touch screen and all. So it's a high performance sensitivity, and it's a lightweight and best resistance and all, and stability and all. It's good. So in this model, it's a high strength metal, more lighter than the other other products and all, and it can easily transport and installation and fully. There is no any kind of training should be given for this product installation and all. So you can easily install in any places like mall, airports, in any places you can place this metal detector. So if I'm talking to like metal detector, this is usually widely used in meeting, conference, school, and as I told you. So uh, so as I told you before, the main thing is like electromagnetic field. In the technically speaking, the electromagnetic field is a main important thing in this metal detector. So it creates the metal to identify the person is carrying metal through alarm of beep sound. Okay, so in this having a sensor, it will create sense the metal and all, and it will give the alarm. So coming to this is our product. It's a front, like we can see this product. It's a walkthrough metal detector, arch type, and this is a controller and it's a power port. So in this, the main thing like the extra advantages and all compared to other devices, passing count and outpass count and all we can easily understand. In and out count we can easily find out from this display where the person is carrying without metal or with metal. We can understand this, and there are many parameters in this, like we can set in airport and shopping mall. There are many certain parameters are there. So as I told you, it's a 6 zone. There are 6 detecting zones and all, and sensitivity level are 100, and we can set that sensitivity levels. So it's a LED display, and it's a alarm count and beep sound. Everything LED will be glowing. LED can understand where the person is carrying a metal and all. So talking about the controller features and all. So the controller having 7-inch LED display, and it's a touch screen also. And it's, as I told you, it shows separate in and out counting and easily to use and all. We can set the parameters in and all. We can set the sensitivity regarding to the how much gram of metal if they are taking, and suppose if place having a certain gram of metal they have to detect, means we can set those kind of sensitivity in this controller. So in display with metal, there will be a separate counting also, and the time and date also will be shown in this LCD display. So all the setting parameter can also be done in this controller, and all the settings will be displayed. We can do all the kind of settings in this controller and all. So these are the parameter settings we can do in this controller. So I told you the security level we can set 1 to 100. As I told you, if there will be a separate, there will be a certain place called like, suppose in a factory, there will be a metal, small metal or heavy metal, like, so they need to detect a small metal and all, and we can set the security level in this. So according to security level and sensitivity level, they can find out the metal. So normally we can identify the starting like 50 grams and all, it will identify easily. And the applications are there, 72 applications are there, like mall, shopping mall, airport, as I told you before. And we can set the frequency also. And this frequency and the sensitivity are the most important thing we can set for, according to the gram wise of metal. So 4 patterns are there, like alarm count we can do, and admin more, like many screen settings, everything's are there in this model. It's a new model. So as I told you before, there are sensor. The sensor is the main important thing in this metal detector. So the sensor, by using sensor, it will detect the metal object, a person body. Like we can easily find out the metal where the person is carrying, and it will give the alarm sound if it detected. So the metal detector is can be either electromagnetic or magnetic things. So in this field, it will create the alarm sound. So when the person is walk through the archway of a through metal detector, the sensor create a magnetic field. So by creating the magnetic field around the person, if the person is carrying a metal object and all, the metal will distribute the magnetic field or the electromagnetic field into that. So it will give the alarm sound or beep sound. So these are the inside coil we can see here. So these are 6 types of partition are there, 6 type coils are there. Here you can see the 6 partition. So if the person is carrying a metal in downwards, it will show separate indication. And if person is carrying a center, there will be so separate indication. In the top also there will be separate indication. These are the inside door frame, like electrical things are there, like coils and all placed in this door frame. So mainly, like we are mainly use this for security purpose, no? So if we can't check all the body or everyone, like if suppose a mall and all, there are many people are coming to mall and all. So the security person cannot search in every person, right? So in that scenario, we will use this kind of walkthrough metal detector. So the security people can easily understand that like people are carrying metal. So if they want to check further, like what metal and all they are taking, so you can do a further process. So actually, the security is a main important feature in our daily life. So as I told you, like in a daily life, different application we are used for a different application we are using. Many crimes and all happening in a, like mall, any other places and all. So for that purpose, the security people can understand the people who carrying a dangerous weapon and all. So as I told you, we use in a museum or concert, any places we can use this metal detector. So it's a prevents a crime prevention and all. So when someone enters with a knife or a screwdriver or any metal object, it will damage physically, right? So the people will be like panic. So for that purpose, security guard can easily find out the person is carrying a dangerous weapon. So these are the different weapons, like if you are looking, it's a gun, knife, a belt, or lighter, or coin. So compared to all these things, you can see the coin is a small metal, right? So as I told you, in a factory and all, there will be certain amount of gram of metal will be there. So it will be a more important thing in that factory. So if a person is taking, the working person is taking that metal outside from that factory, so the security guard should know whether the person is taking that any metal or not. So as I told you, for that scenario, we can set a frequency or sensitivity and all. So it will detect the metal if the person is carrying. In that scenario, we can set the parameters. So specification about this D4006, like it's a weight, net weight, external size, passage size, and all everything mentioned here. You can go through it. And humidity and working temperature, power supply, and input voltage is AC 100 volt and 240 volt. So output is DC 12 volt and 12 volt. These are the specification in this. So main advantages of this D4006, like when the system is entered adaptive mode, it adapts the testing standard. The testing standard is good, so you can easily go through with this product and all. So it will create a good sensitivity, and it will easily find out the metals and all everywhere where the people is passing through the metal detector. So in the sensitivity, we can adjust in a different zone and all. So with the adaptive technology, and it can change the direction of zones. Okay, so for the light, sound, alarm, tune, everything will be generated in this product. There's real-time information and all detection available. At least 100% within 1 minute it can pass. It will detect. So these are the places you can fix the metal detector: train station, metro station, stadiums, exhibition center, museum, and all. So it will prevent for this. These are the prevention. So as we go through all these sectors, transport, real estate, education, healthcare, and all, we did. So next, I'm going to talk to you about like another product called handheld metal detector. So here I'm going to explain about the handheld metal detector. The model name is HM520 Pro. So hope you everyone seen in this handheld metal detector in security person. They will be carrying this handheld detector in mall and all. They will be carrying. So if we are briefly talking about this handheld metal detector, it is easily to carry and all. So it can identify easily small metal and all. You can easily find out. So talking about the brief explanation about this HM520 Pro is like, it is used a emergency response to conduct, like as I told you, if a metal detector is a fixed place, like if suppose a person is carrying with a metal and they do not understand where the metal is carrying on, they want to check more into that, what are the metal and all they want to check. So in that scenario, they can use this handheld metal detector. Security person can use this, and mainly used for security screenings and all, such as airport, government, schools, and all. So this design into a metallic object for a person body, including the weapons and other prohibited items we can find out in this handheld metal detector. So one of the main advantages of this handheld metal detector is like they can easily carry, a security panel can easily carry it and various locations if they wanted to. So, and it's a reality very less expensive to compare to other security equipment and all, and it's a cost effective also. So this, if I'm talking about this product description, it is our new product actually. It's manufactured by eSSL. So compared with the HM520 Pro, it's a more powerful detection function, and a LED light can visually check in the detection accuracy. So in this thing, in this product, they can find out easily like where the person is carrying a metal, and they can check everywhere in the whole body and all. So in this product, it will show the LED also, like how much, like if the person is carrying heavy metal and all, the LED will be red, and so small kind of metal and all, LED will be yellow, and the small minute metal coin and all, it will be a small like green and all. And the accuracy is more in this compared to other products. So the, like as I told, accuracy detection, long detection range, large detection area, lightweight and vibration, and this having vibration and also vibration and sound alarm also, both we can set. So the working principle also, as I told you, like same scenario, like electromagnetic field, the main thing, like working by emitting a low frequency of electromagnetic field. So when the field comes to a contact with a metallic object, the detector will emit an alarm. So it will give alarm sound to the operator, to the security, if I'm saying. The security people can easily understand by the vibration or alarm. And LED also, they can understand the indication of a presence of a metal. So it's important to check the person's entire body, including their pocket, shoes, to ensure the metallic objects are detected. So it is useful tool for security screening. It is important note that they not be full proof. We will get to know the full proof. It is like the person is carrying a metal uh, wherever in their body, easily understand. So it will not detect any other certain metals like aluminum and other things and all. So these are the application which we are using in this product, like exhibition, subway, cinema, schools, airports, and all. So it's widely used in the customs, airport, subway station, bank, shopping mall, train station, game, and all. The security person can use. So the advantages of this product is it's a high sensitivity product. So it can detect gold and silver, copper, iron, nickel, and other metals. So compared to the walkthrough metal detector, the gold and all, it will not detect into metal detector. And for that scenario, we can use this handheld metal detector for detecting the gold and all. So it can meet the detection of requirements of various industries, like the industries called like silver, copper, metal. Is if they want to detect all these product, they can go for this HM524. So there are the 6 function in this product, like it is accurate for detection. The 2 alarm modes are there, and LED light are there, and it's a water and dust proof, and long service life and all. So the security person can carry easily, and they can buckle it this in everywhere. So it will not fall from their hand, and also you can use for that also. So in this, main important thing is according to the size. Size is the main important thing because it's a small size, so easy to travel, and it's a lightweight also, and it can detect any more accuracy is more. So we can easily find out the person who's carrying metal in everywhere in the whole of our body. So we can check it. So these are the main advantages of this product. So like as I told you, there I have different modes are there, like sound, alarm sound are there. If you show if a metal is nearby, it will give you alarm sound. And if you don't want an alarm sound, because some places don't want some beep sound and all, it will make noise, right, noisy, right? So for that purpose, vibration mode also there. So when if this product go through the nearby metal, the security people will get to know the by through the vibration. So light, and it will give the light alarm also, and it's a wear resistant, drop resistant, adjustable sensitivity also. And as I told you before, these are the product advantages mainly. Here I told you, you can see there will be a switch over here. So if it is up, it is a sound alarm mode, and if it is the switch is in center, it's a on or off button. And if it is the switch is in down position, it's a vibration mode. And this indication shows the uh, like size of the metal, like if more like, so the size is big. Suppose if it's showing in a mobile and all, it will detect fully red. So means it's a heavy metal they are carrying. So here you can see the detection range, right? So these are the detection range, like small, if a small object called a screw or something and coin like that. These are the detection range. Like mobile, it's a, if it is a nail paper clip or something, 30 to 60 is a distance range. And if it is coins, steel balls and anything, it is 70 to 90 range. If it is a cutter or mobile phone and all, if it is a 90 to 110 range. And if the person is carrying a gun or camera, heavy metal, the detection range is 120 to 160 These are the detection range of this product. So this performance is temperature resistance. It's a battery. It's just battery and also rechargeable also, and large battery capacity also. Battery capacity also longer. So these are the specification you can see over here. So the frequency is 25 Hz and power consumption and voltage, operation current and battery type, standby current, charging time. You can charge in this, and working hour, 40 hours the working hour. And this is weight, and weight is 230 gram. And these are the height and all. So these are the features for coming about saying about the features of the HM520 Pro. And the sensitivity is self-adjustable with accurate detection and all. And it is a low power consumption, long battery life, long power design and all, high capacity battery, and fully charged up to more than 40 hours continuous. And it's a double alarm mode, built in two alarm modes like with slider bar or switching buttons, like alarm mode and vibration mode. And light indication also there. The detector can be determined the size and distance of the metal, like object emitting different lighting effect, like green, orange, and red. So as I told you, in this main thing about this HM520 Pro, it will detect gold, silver, copper, iron, and other metals. So if the equity person is using this product in a jewelry and all, it will be very useful for them. And these are the inside coil you can see here. Like this is a coil inside. So this coil creates a magnetic field like over there. So it will detect the metal and it will give the alarm sound out of. And it's a battery. There is any other things, and it's a easy installation and all. And it's a easy coil assembly also easy and everything you can see. This is the interior design of the product. So if you can see, these are the front view and back side of the product, and its height is only 286 and 64 length and all. So screw inside, if you remove this and all, you can see, like you can see here, this coil you can see here if you remove the screws and all. And this is a battery socket port. Okay, so and this is a wrist buckle, like if the security people can easily carry with this. And it's a battery component cover, screw and all. And if it is a low battery and all, there will be indication also. There are three indications. Like if a battery is low, the LED will indicate. And if it is charging, and this is a charging port, and it's a holding like buckle, anything you can hold, you can hold. So overall, these handheld method detectors are more effective and cost efficient also. And it's a security for mainly used for security screening for the security people. So they can easily understand the person is carrying a metal, where the person is carrying metal, and they can go for a further checking and all. And this in this they can use for variety of setting detect metallic object person a body, like if the person is carrying anywhere in a body, the security person can easily understand with this product, and it is easier to transport and all. So main advantages of this product are, I told you before, that these all things you can use in the airport, college, office, building, and other area sectors and all. So the people who that are using them can control who enters a specific areas, and what he or she brings inside it. Like if person is bringing something inside with a heavy metal or small metal, any kind of metal, they can easily, the security people can easily understand with this. So in this handheld detector, security person can easily physically detect if a person is carrying a metallic object, any kind of metal object, they can understand easily. And if it is a dangerous object, we can find easily. So these are the main advantages of this product. So these are the products which I explain you. And these are the two products which I explain you. So if you have, so compared to in this, there is nothing to mainly focus on. These are main technical thing I said to you, right? So if you have any doubt in this and all, you can ask. And yeah, sure, you can ask if any doubt and regarding this product.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yeah, actually, we are from Chennai.
Okay.
Sky Enterprises, we are having a company here.
So, sir, your voice
So
is
we
not
have
audible.
now it is audible.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Are you able to clear?
Yeah, yeah, perfect. Yeah.
Yeah, we are a Sky Enterprises. We are situated in Chennai location.
Okay.
So we doing CCTV surveillance camera cabling and the routing and as well as boom barrier. We just want to enter into the boom barrier field also. We have two customers who is asking for a boom barrier project to be going to be in future. So we attend the thing. I just want this video should be a recorded video will be because I joined by 10 o'clock only. So I'm not sure which is previous portions I didn't listen and all. So can you send me the this recording should be my mail ID. Hello.
So you are talking about like you need a video of these all recordings and all, right?
Yes, yes,
About this
yes.
product or boom barrier and all.
Yeah, boom barrier and all. I just want to because I just bringing the customers to the company.
Okay, okay,
I'm working as a marketing manager over here.
okay.
So I will go to and first of all I should know what is the boom barrier, how it is working, what are the situated places like airport, college, and where all this should be working out at. So I just bring the customers to you, the company. So I just need to know the exact what is happening behind the security solutions. So I need the recording of the boom barrier as well as this product which you said. I'm just talking about this 1 hour section only, but you just send me the recording. I will go through it, and I will. One of your boss said fifth and sixth will be the trade center. There will be
Yeah, yeah. So
uh,
actually, the exhibition is conducting our Chennai.
yeah, Chennai.
Yeah,
I will come and I will see that what is how it is be working it.
yeah. Sure, sir. Sure, sir. You can.
So you can send me it. I will go through it and
Actually, hope you got
I'll
the mail and all regarding the exhibition date and all. So I hope every client or distributor, everyone got a mail when the date and all.
regarding what
Five,
exhibition
five,
date is.
six, five, six are the dates exhibition conducting in Chennai.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
that I know that,
So you can
but
see everything, every products over there, like boom barrier and everything.
hmm,
So these recordings and all, this about this, and you register in this, right? You get in the mail.
yes, I registered it.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
You will get in the mail after this section. So you can
okay.
download the recording of this product. And if the boom barrier and all, whether you register before any sections and attended any section, no? Boom barrier and all.
No, no. This is first time I'm attending the session.
Okay, so next week we having in English a boom barrier and sliding gate motor. So you can attend that section by 9:30.
Hmm.
So if you will be on time, it will be good for you. And after the section also, you can the recordings and all you can download. So
Next week,
next week, yeah, nine
same
thirty
Saturday.
Saturday, same Saturday, 9:30.
Okay,
Next week are there.
okay. Thanks, Nitin.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, thank you.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yeah, this is Pandit. What happened is
Okay,
I registered for this session,
okay.
but I don't know why the mail has I haven't get the mail about the link of this session. So
Okay.
is it possible to send you that direct link to the dealers? Because what happened every time we have to register for the event, and that mail
Yes, sir.
get
You have to register before this section.
no for every session we have to
Yeah, yeah,
get registered,
yeah, yeah.
and that will get down towards somewhere, and we cannot found at that same particular day. So is it possible to you directly send the session link, Zoom link? Because what happened, I tried to join, I tried to find the link for today's session for I think 9:45
So
something.
you're telling like before you don't get any mail regarding in this section.
No, I haven't received any mail today or yesterday also.
So you're from?
Sorry.
So you're from which place?
Pune.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So before there was a section on that time also you didn't get this.
No,
link?
I haven't received any mail regarding this. I just go through with the dates actually
Okay.
that I have to search for the actual session date. But
Okay, so
I
we
just
are really sorry for this. So actually, we shared all these link to every people who are in the different areas and all. So I'm really sorry for this. So there is no like.
I'm just asking to avoid registration and direct send a link to the dealers. Is it possible? For see, what I thought is more or less every dealer is coming to the session. Okay, and every time we have to register for that event, and every time we have to get the new link. So is it possible you to keep one link only and send to the distributors or dealers who are attending the sessions? Is it possible?
Yeah, I will check with our IT team and all, and I will provide a solution for this.
Yeah, because what happened, at 9:45 I have to register all together again, and then I log into the session. For I logged in at 10 or something, and I missed for the 15-20 minutes, which is more important. So today's session I just taken half knowledge of that. That is why.
Yes, I understood your things and all. So anyway,
Hmm.
I will talk to our IT team and I will make a solution for this. So
Okay.
what all things are there? I will here I will put my mail over here. So what all problems you all are facing, any problems and all, you can mail me. So I will
Okay.
go through with this and I will talk to IT team and all, and I will
Okay.
solve the solutions.
Okay, thank you. And one more thing I just want to know, you mentioned that in a handheld model, there is a directly power button or something is there.
No,
So is
actually,
it for chargeable cells only?
yeah, it can chargeable also.
Okay. So battery is inside only, or we
Yeah,
have
yeah,
to?
battery will be inside only. It's a chargeable battery.
Okay, okay, okay.
Actually, it's a
And what?
rechargeable battery. It is
Okay,
inside.
rechargeable cells we have to put in, and then we can directly connect it.
Yeah, you can connect it and you can charge it, and after that you can use it also.
Okay, 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 okay. Thank you. And is there any exhibition in Pune in future?
No, sir, no.
Okay,
If anything there, we'll get back to you surely.
okay, not an issue. Thank you.
Okay.
Take few seconds to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon button so you will get all notification of our latest updates.